Welcome to today's lecture on the evolution of Windows operating systems. And for this video, we will have a brief overview of each Windows operating systems from Windows 95 and up to the latest version, the Windows 11. And after that brief overview, we will going in a deep comparison among them. So let's have the first Windows operating system. So first in the list, we have Windows 95. So Windows 95 was introduced in 1995 and became obsolete by December 31, 2001. So these operating systems of Microsoft features a redesigned GUI, plug and play, and a long file name. The next operating system would be the Windows 98. So it is released in 1998 with USB support, improved application compatibility, and straightforward installation from Windows 95. The next one is the Windows ME, ME, which means Millennium Edition. So it was introduced in the year 2000 with features like System Restore and continued without real mode DOS access. Further to that, the next evolution is the Windows XP. So Windows XP was released in 2001. So that's 1 year after Windows ME or the Millennium Edition that features stability, security, and application compatibility improvements and introduced product activation. The next one would be Windows Vista. So for Windows Vista, it was introduced in 2007 with Aero UI, face challenges, and with older program, sorry for that, face challenges. So Windows Vista actually faced challenges with older program compatibility and support until April 2017. The next one is the Windows 7. So Windows 7 was released in 2009, widely compatible with applications support until January 2020. So that was 3 years ago. And also it was recommended upgrade to a newer OS. So with this, in speak of a newer OS, we have the next evolution here, which is the Windows 8.1. So for the Windows 8.1, its support ended in 2023, so that was just about a week ago. So Windows 8.1, notable for redesigned start screen. Um, what else? So reintroduction of the start button and also the backup via the Microsoft OneDrive. And for the Windows 10, its support will end on October 2025. So that will be the next year. So one of the key features include a start menu, virtual desktops, and widespread app compatibility. And lastly, the latest operating system by Microsoft will be the Windows 11. So Windows 11 actively supported and introduced in 2021. So that was just around roughly 2 years ago or 3 years ago, rather. So with improved features such as a centered start button, gaming tech, and an Android support. So that's all for the brief overview of the Windows operating system and their evolution from the Windows 95 and to the Windows 11. So now let's us move on with the comparison between or among them. So here is the comparison. So we can say that in the evolution of Windows operating systems, Windows 95 was groundbreaking, introducing features like plug and play and long file names. However, it became obsolete by December 31, 2001. Windows 98 followed, right? Featuring a hybrid 16-bit slash 32-bit structure and support for USB. networking enhancements, and straightforward installation. This version, which is the Windows 98, enjoyed Microsoft support until July 11, 2006. Meanwhile, for the Windows Millennium Edition, continued the trend with a hybrid 16-bit/33-bit architecture, and its support lasted until December 31, 2003. Noteworthy features included Internet Explorer 5.5, System Restore, and improvements in application compatibility. Windows XP Windows XP marked a significant milestone with its hybrid 32-bit/64-bit architecture. So we can see that beginning from Windows XP, the system architecture has improved from 16-bit to 32-bit/64-bit architecture. So, um, so in here, as a successor, Windows XP supports the Microsoft until April 14, 2009, and the introduction of enhanced stability, security, and product activation. So the next in line will be the Windows Vista. So as the next successor of the Windows XP, so Windows Vista faced various challenges with older program compatibility, but introduced the Aero UI as a solution and a built-in utility or for backup and restore, rather. And its support spanned until April 11th of the year 2017. So the next one is Windows 7, supported until January 14, 2020, which is during the pandemic. So this operating system version offered editions like Ultimate, Professional, Home, Premium, and Enterprise. So Windows 7 features a built-in backup for system images and file backups. The next one is the Windows 8.1. So Windows 8.1 is almost similar with Windows 8. So Windows 8.1 with support ending on January 10, 2023. So that is exactly a year ago upon filming this video. So Windows 8.1 emphasized application compatibility, a redesigned start screen, and the reintroduction of the support button or the start button. Then the next one is Windows 10. So Windows 10 supported until October 14, 2025. Introduced a Windows 7 style start menu, virtual desktops, and Cortana with widespread app compatibility and built-in backup tools. So and the latest in the series, so none other than the Windows 11. So Windows 11 is actively supported, bringing a centered start button, multitasking improvements, integrated communication, gaming enhancements, widgets, and a redesigned Microsoft Store with Android app support. Upgrades are available for free from Windows 10. Check with PC Health Check and facilitated through the Installation Assistant or ISO file windows from Windows Insider Preview downloads. So, yeah, so here are the reference that we have used for this lecture. So as we conclude this brief journey through the evolution of Windows operating systems, it is fascinating to witness the continuous innovation and adaptation that has shaped our digital experiences. The progression from Windows 95 to Windows 11 reflects not only technological advancements, but also the dynamic nature of user needs and expectations. As we navigate the future of computing, let us appreciate the legacy and look forward to what lies ahead in the ever evolving landscape of operating systems. That will be all for today, guys. So I am Judith Prince Bar of BSID NS2A. This is the activity one for operating systems course. Thank you. Bye.